Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a video wallpaper on Windows 11 using Push Video Wallpaper freeware software. For your information, Push Video Wallpaper is a free application that you can use to set any video or GIF as a desktop background on Windows 11. To set a desktop background on your Windows 11, just download and install this one software that you can find the link in this video description. After that, launch the software and then you can find here four demos, demo video. You can double click on any to apply it as your desktop wallpaper. In case you want to set your own video as a desktop wallpaper, just click on this one plus icon and then select your video from your PC, then click on this one add to playlist button. It will be added to playlist, and to set it as a wallpaper, just double click on it. In case your video has audio also, then audio will be also displayed. You can mute by clicking on this one icon, sound icon. You can you can set a still wallpaper. I mean, you can remove this one video wallpaper and set your still wallpaper by clicking this one icon. It will revert back, and just if you want to play again video as a wallpaper, just click on this one play button. It will set video as wallpaper immediately. Here you can also choose this one option. This will let you set a video from the link as a background. You can use it for any videos, such as if you love a video on YouTube, just copy and paste this one link it here and then click on this one add to playlist button. It will appear in the videos list. Then in case you don't love any video and want to remove, just select the video and then click on this one minus icon. This will immediately remove that selected video from your playlist library, and you will see this one useful link. This is like a magnifying glass. Just click on this and you can navigate through a lot of beautiful short videos that you can set it as a wallpaper. In case you love any, just click on it and then click the add to playlist button. It will be added to the playlist, and just double click on video you want to set as a wallpaper. It will applied as a wallpaper to your Windows 11. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.